Good morning, everybody. This is Wes with Toolbox Buzz. I'm here with Ryan at the Milwaukee booth here at World of Concrete 2025 with a really exciting new product announcement for today.
Hey guys, really excited to launch this new-to-world NITRUS framing and demolition circ saw blade from Milwaukee. This will be a 7 1/4 24-tooth framing and demo blade with the largest welded carbide on a circ saw blade today, delivering 5x cutting life, as well as our NITRUS carbide technology to help with that unmatched durability in that framing and demo applications, whether you're hitting that hidden nail, hidden screw that will often rip teeth off a blade today, whereas technology has stayed relatively constant. This blade will deliver that unmatched performance and fastest cutting, longest life experience. This will also have our patent venting design that will allow for that constant heat management, controlled heat, so you have that less warping and blade wobble. So this will be coming this June to the market at $24.97, and excited to get this out in the hands of framers, remodelers, GC cutters, and get this for all those applications.